Hi everyone. In this video, Hi everyone. I'm Julie Scalan. In this video, I'll be showing you the Atrium Nursing app that we've made for the Philippine Nurse Licensure Examination takers. This is an all new app, and this is very new to the Philippines, and ang kagandahan po nito, there are some features na are very very helpful and very helpful tools and it will guide all of those students who will be taking the Philippine Nurse Licensure Examination past the actual exam itself. So what we have here, guys, is first where I'm introducing to you. Of course, this is the Atrium Nursing app. So it's a new app wherein you can see dito ang pinakaunang feature na nakikita po ninyo is the dashboard. So ang makikita niyo dito sa dashboard is that una, may practice mode. You can see the practice mode. It's the full feature of the application or the website. The practice mode, the mock NLE mode, and then the overall score, the questions you've answered, the exams, the number of exams you've taken, and the accuracy also of your answering. The way you answer, how many questions you've got right, and then how many questions you've got wrong. Nandyan po yan sa ating pong accuracy. And all in the one, the application is also telling you how ready are you to take the board exam. So it's here, the board readiness. And then we have here the performance by area for every nursing practice test. So we have the nursing practice 1, nursing practice 2, nursing practice 3 hanggang 5 po. Iyan. And of course, you can see here how many exams have you taken already. Okay, so basically this is the introductory landing page for you wherein you can see all of the features of the application or the website. So now let's proceed to the practice mode of the website. So here naman, guys, you can see the if you just want to practice, kung gusto mo lang mag-practice, gusto mo lang sanay ng sarili mo on how to answer the NLE questions, and per NP, halimbawa you just want right now sa review ninyo, nasa community health nursing kayo, you can do that here. So you can start community health nursing, nursing practice 2 for your maternal and child health nursing. Halimbawa, if you really want to master medical surgical nursing, you proceed to nursing practices 3 hanggang nursing practice 5 actually, because may mga medical surgical nursing pa po na mga questions hanggang sa inyong NP5. However, psychiatric nursing and emergency care are loaded and are heavily loaded talaga sa inyong nursing practice 5. So ang psyche nyo po ay nasa nursing practice 5 po yan. And then if you want to set number of questions, kayo po ang magde-decide. You call the shot here. If you want 20 question lang muna, 50 question, 100 items, so you can set it here. And then when it comes to difficulty, you can select all levels. Pwede ding easy muna, moderate, and difficult. Again, we're setting this easy, moderate, and difficult setting here. It's because this is a TOS-based questions po ang meron po tayo sa ating pong website. So, table of specifications po ng PRCBON ang pinagbasehan po natin dito. And also, we have 25,000 number of questions in the question bank. So, malawak po no ang ating pong question bank or test bank source dito sa website po na ito. And if you're ready, you can click here start practice exam, and immediately kasi you can also set here if you want immediate feedback, you can set here na show correct answers after each question. So pwede po natin gawin yan. So halimbawa, I will just show you paano to gumagana. So halimbawa, nag-set ako ng community health nursing. So 20 questions po. So you can see here sa pinakataas po, nandyan po yung elapsed time. And then sa baba naman, nandyan na yung question. And then pang ilang question siya, what level it is when it comes to difficulty. So basically, this question is a difficult question and it's under your nursing practice 1 question. So nandyan po yung buong question, and then kompleto yung 4 na options po natin. And then of course, sa pinakataas, if you want to end the exam in the upper right, dito po sa upper right, you can see here, end examination. So if you want to end exam, you can click that. At dito naman po sa pinakababa, sa may pinakababa dito po sa baba yan, you can see here that's mark for review. So if you want to go back to this question later on, and interesado ka sa question na 'to, halimbawa you want to study further on this, so you mark for review on that. Okay? So that's it. So ima-mark for review ko 'to so that we can see it here later sa review list po natin dito sa tab po na ito. So balikan po natin 'yan mamaya. And then I will end this exam. 'Yan. If you want to continue the exam, you can continue, but for the sake of our lecture, I mean our introductory video, i-skip ko lang muna 'to. So basically makikita po dito after you've answered the question, how many answers you've get correct, how many naman yung incorrect, and then gaano nga ba katagal mo sinasagutan ang mga question, how many seconds. Okay, dito po natin 'yan makikita. And then we've also set the peer score level po ng bawat magte-take po dito. So bakit po natin nilagay 'to? So naka 5 level po tayo dito ng hierarchy. So we've set peer score level because we are applying here the curve-based ranking. So para makita po natin kung saan ka or if you are above the average or below the average when it comes to specific questions. Okay, because again, alam naman po natin pagdating sa board exam, curved grading po or peer group po ang scoring po na ginagamit po ng ating Board of Nursing. Okay, dito sa baba, meron tayong dashboard and analytics. So when you click analytics, immediately pupunta po yan sa analytics po ninyo sa buong kabuuan na. Okay, so overall score, questions done, your pass rate, your study streak, ilang araw ka na. And then dito, because we are just having here a account, test account lang po ito, hindi ko po sinasagutan talaga yung mga questions dito. So, 21 correct pa lang po and then 1,200 na po ang wrong ko. Okay, so nandito rin yung average time and then makikita po ninyo dito kung how are you improving in each and every examination po na tinitake po ninyo. Okay, so dito din sa baba makikita po natin kung ano nga ba yung subject na kailangan po nating mag-improve. Okay, now next for the mock NLE naman, the mock NLE is another platform, I mean another feature from your practice mode. Sa practice mode, may rationale. Halimbawa, ipapakita ko nga pala sa inyo yung rationale sa practice mode. Halimbawa, if I'm going to answer this one, halimbawa, itong question, so I will click this one. So I've got the correct answer here kahit wala lang. So nandito sa baba yung full explanation and then yung references, it's complete. So you can see that. And then you can actually generate a mnemonic for here. So you can generate a mnemonic here. So makikita rin po natin yan dyan. Okay? So para ito sa mga visual learners, if you really want to generate cartoons or yung mga mnemonics, you can click it there. Okay? So that's it. That's how we yan, i-mark it for review ko po. So that's how our question goes here. Okay, and then you continue. So again, I will end this exam for now. So let's go back to mock NLE. Sa mock NLE naman po, eto naman, it's quite different from your practice mode because this is where para kang actual na sasagot ng board exam. Sa mock NLE po, wala na po ditong rational. So you will be answering 500 items sa loob po sa loob po ng 10 hours po 'yan. Okay, so 2 hours per NP and then you will be answering that for approximately 10 hours. Okay, you can also set here na no backtracking and then you can begin the NLE. Okay, the mock NLE feature or mode ng ating pong um website. So, kung makikita po ninyo dito, parang the time is running for 10 hours and then dito naka-specify kung pang ilang question ka na and then what topic it is and then what level din ng question. So, for this one, halimbawa yan, I will click that and I will do the next question. Wala po tayong makikitang rationalizations because again, this is a mock NLE exam. So at the end of the examination is where you can assess yourself if how well are you doing when it comes to your NPs. Okay? Yan, very good. So i-end po natin yung exam. Yan. So for that, yan, top performer, say for example, kasi isang sagot lang po yung nagawa ko. So yan, so makikita po natin yung leveling po ng ating pong um, results right after the mock NLE. Okay, so that's for your mock NLE. And at this time naman po, we'll proceed to the another feature, yung analytics. Again, nakita na po natin to kanina. So diyan mo naman makikita how are you performing generally. So again, the overall score, and then saan diyan yung wrong mo, yung weakness mo. Dito sa bandang baba, so nakalagay dito you need to review more on nursing practice 2 yan, and then study tip, focus next practice sessions on maternal and child nursing. It's your lowest scoring area. So use practice mode and filter by the subject. So yan, nakikita po natin yan dito yung ating pong performance. Yan, for your review list naman po, for your review list, yan yung again, babalikan natin yung sinagot natin kanina, yan. Nandito po lahat ng mga questions na minark mo as review list because you want to study more on this one. Okay, so kapag gusto mo lang siyang basahin ulit, so you proceed to your review list. Okay, at ito, next feature po is your leaderboard. Yan. Under your leaderboard naman po, dito sa sa inyong leaderboard, makikita po natin dito kung sino yung actual na nag-take ng quiz, ng examination, ng practice test, na kung saan mataas po yung kanilang score. So may live chat din po tayo dito wherein you can chat with other users of the application. Okay? So that's it. So at this time, nandyan po ako sa taas kasi nakasagot po ako kanina ng isa. Okay, so for this profile naman po na feature, of course, nandyan lang yung pangalan mo, and then kung ilang subscription, ilang months meron ka. I mean, ilang months ang subscription mo because may tatlong levels po tayo, 3 months, 6 months, and then 1 year. Okay, for this account, because this is a test mode, ginawa ko po siyang 6 months. For the appearance naman po, you can set here light, dark, and you can set the system. Okay, so that's it for the, and then sa baba may admin panel tayo, but that's, of course, that's reserved only for our admin. Okay, for the admin accounts. So again, this is your Atrium Nursing NLE app. This is the best app in the Philippines to prepare you for the Philippine Nurse Licensure Examination. Ang kagandahan dito is we have unlimited questions, 25,000 questions po, all for you. So, computer adaptive din po siya. Dinedetect niya po ang inyong weakness and it's telling you where to focus more. Okay, so this is the best question bank for NLE, 100% passing rate guaranteed. Okay, so this is our pricing here. For 3 months, you can have 399. For 5 months, 599. I mean, for 6 months, that's 599. And for 1 year, that's 899. So, basically, ang mas marami pong kumukuha talaga is the 599 because 6 months po ang binibigay sa kanilang mga nursing schools to review. So, while nasa nursing review center ka po, okay lang po na kumuha ka po ng aming pong Atrium Nursing app because it will help you side by side while you are in your review center. You can use our question bank to assess yourself and then to look at yourself kung ano nga ba or saan nga ba kailangan mo pang mag-improve. Okay, so ayan. For more nursing tips, kapatid, follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel.